back to a new vid today, guys. Man, I hope you guys are doing good, man. Yo, I'm so hyped for this video. I don't care, it's probably gonna be my favorite install in this car. Your boy got some new lights. Yo, look how crispy these lights are, yo. Yo, you understand how in love I am with these lights. These are the Euro cherry lights that come on the Golf R's, but these are eBay, you feel me? We don't discriminate out here, but man, they fine. They gonna work fine, man. It's plug and play, but yo, these things are beautiful. You understand? I've been wanting these lights since I got my car, so I'm about to install that, and I have to get rid of these lights anyways because one, there's like water, like a little bit of water getting inside of both my lights. I guess there's like a crack or something in the lights. I don't know, but one of my lights is completely destroyed. Look at this, man. There's a fat hole in my light because I guess during the hurricane I was here last year, I think, something hit it, bro, and it just destroyed it. So I need to replace this light anyways. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to do these. I looked up on YouTube. It looks pretty simple, but hopefully I don't break nothing like I usually do, you feel me? Because your boy always be breaking stuff. So we're gonna see how this goes. Basically all I have to do is take this off. Well, this was already off. I don't know, this didn't have a cover on it. So I'm gonna take this off, take this 10mm thing, unplug. Oh, there's another one right here, and then the light comes straight out. I have to do it with this side, and this side back here I have to take this off, and then this cover behind here, just like a little screw thing, and then just unplug and boom, straight. Simple work. But you know me, I'm always gonna break something. So alright, so since this one's already open, I might as well just take this off. But it's not a 10, bro. What the hell? These baby old screws, these things are like 3s, bitch. Yeah, look at that. Hold on. It's like a 3. Yo, for real though, I don't care. This is gonna be my favorite install. Favorite install in the whole car. After doing all this stuff, downpipe, I don't care. I mean, I love the downpipe, not gonna lie. Oh, and I fixed that rattle too. I found out what it was. It was I don't even know what they call it. I guess it's the crossbar that protects the downpipe, I guess, or holds it up. It was that was rattling against the downpipe, so it was making all that freaking noise, man. Also the hanger. The hangers were too long, and it was hitting against the frame. So it was those two things that were making a rattle, but now it's perfect. But this is gonna be my favorite install, honestly. You understand, I've been wanting these lights forever. I've talked to my brother about them forever. I've bugged him about it. He knows when I got these lights, ooh, I was happy. I came from work and I saw them. I was like, oh, my precious little heart. Yo, I'm about to go through all these, I swear. I bet you the last one that I get, that I freaking go through, it's gonna be the one. Watch, I bet this don't even fit. I have a little bit of play, but I'm gonna use it anyways, cause fuck it. Hey man, wish me luck. Hopefully I don't break these screws or strip it. Cause you know me, man, I'm the mystical breaker out here. That's what they even call me, the mystical breaker. Cause I break everything. Y'all ain't see that. Yo, I swear we can never find nothing in here. This thing is so unorganized. I need an extender for this. I can't find it, bro, because all this stuff is everywhere. Look at that. I mean, the most unorganized. Well, it's not even me. It's me and my brother and my dad, bro. We are so unorganized. I mean, I'm organized. It's just they be throwing stuff. I ain't gonna lie, I be throwing stuff too, because I be getting pissed off. So I just be like, fuck that shit. Yeah. Boys, I got a super extender. Look at that. Damn. Woo, this shit like 2 feet long, bro. Look at it. Do. Nice. Oh, I'm tiny. I'm a retard. Oh, damn. Man, I need to get a camera, man. I can't be on this iPhone life anymore. I mean, camera don't really matter. It's better quality and stuff. It just depends on the person, but man, it's gonna be a struggle working with this. Cause I'm over here with one hand and stuff. Look. I don't even have a thing. What's it called? I don't even have a. I don't even know what the hell they're called. Those little camera things, the little ball thingies, man. Yeah, I need one of those. I mean, I did have one, but I bought it from Walmart, and that joint broke in like 2 days. So, you know, I need one of those, because that joint will be so clutch. Because I put the camera bad there, you feel me? You can see me like working on the whip. Anyways, I go off course, yo. Bro, I swear something always goes wrong. You see the thing that was here? Bro, tell me that's not fell all the way down there now, bro. This is what I mean. Something always goes wrong when I work on cars. I gotta take this whole thing out now. I got it back. Look at this little guy, he's so cute. But I got it back though. Alright guys, I got the first light out. Look at that. Easy work. Look at it. Hey, I'm gonna ride like that. Oh hell no. Weight reduction, babe, weight reduction. But got the first light out, about to put the new one in. Ooh, about to see how this looks. So basically what I gotta do now is connect this resistor. Who this, you see? Yeah, there's two plugs. The black one is for the actual power, and then the white one right here is for the resistor, so it doesn't pop up on my dash over there. But I don't even know where to put this. It has a little 3M sticker thing, but I don't even know where to put it in there. That's the thing. I don't know. I'm gonna finesse something and see if I could, I don't know, fit it somewhere. I'm gonna have to find out. But got that. About to get that in. Yeah, I suck. I got that. But I'm about to get that in. Get this install done for you guys because I'm taking too long. I get off course. I said it for the fourth freaking time. So yeah. Alright guys, one of the lights is on. Huh! Looks amazing. But I ain't gonna lie. I see what people were talking about with the eBay ones. Alright, you see this chunky ass gap right there? Look at the OEM. Look how small it is. It's puny. But hopefully with the big one, it clears that gap up. If not, I mean, I really don't mind, but it looks kind of weird, you feel me? I don't know, I really don't mind, but I don't know, we're gonna see how this plays out. All right, now, so for this one on this side, the big one, well, I already took this off because I had to get that screw down there. So he had to take that off so he could get behind this kind. And then there's a thing in there to screw, and then straight out he goes. So I'm gonna get to that and pop that one in and see how this looks. I think the only thing to unscrew it is this little white thing's the white thing I'm talking about. You just unscrew it and it should just come right out, I hope. And then, you know, the plug is right there. You just take that out, boop, and that's it, I guess. There's a bunch of wires right there. I don't know what the hell that's for. But I think it's just that little white thing. See, man, I know I always mess up. See this little cover thing? And you know you're supposed to take this off. This goes right here. And I was wondering why this is, oh, you can't see that. I was wondering why this is so open. I'm like, why is it so open, yo? Look, right there. Boop. So now I think I have to take the whole light out again to put this little cover. And I think this is what stops it from getting water. Freaking 20 minutes later, bro, I got this thing on. I don't even know if it's supposed to sit like that because it sits kind of weird, you see? Wait a minute. I don't know. No, I don't think, because they gave me some over there, but I think it's for the big lights though. I think. Hope to God, but this thing kind of broke over here, ain't gonna lie. See, I always break stuff. Look, it's not even saying good. Man, I'm tight. But about to get this light out. But yo, I just went through the meanest struggle of history, yo. You don't understand. That little white thing I told you guys about, yo, that was the hardest thing to get into the screw. I swear, I don't know what was going on with it, but yo, that jump was annoying. And also, that cover I was telling you guys about, look, hold on. Bro, the cover that came with the lights, I was supposed to put it here. I wasn't supposed to put the OEM ones. See, like, now it's nice and flush. But yo, that little cover back here, I would put it back, but yo, ooh, look at it. Wait, hold on, let me put this one down. Yo, but that little thing, bro, that thing was a struggle, bro. My dad had to come and help me with it because I couldn't get it. The thing was, it was in, but it didn't want to screw. You had to like play with it so it could get inside the freaking. It could just get in the. I feel retarded right now. But it could screw in, bro. It just had to screw in, but you had to play with it just so it could get in there. But oh, yo, these lights are looking delicious. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this other side done, and when that's done, bro, I'm about to show you guys how beautiful, how much of a change these lights are gonna do to the back end, yo. Oh my God, you guys don't understand. Like, I have pictures of other cars with them on, and yo, What a difference, yo. What a difference. That makes the car look so much more better. So I'm about to get this on and done. Oh, I can't wait. Alright guys, I am officially donezo, and I am about to show you guys the beauty of these lights. Are you guys ready for this? Dun, dun, dun. Are you guys ready for this? Oh, I've been waiting forever for this. I'm gonna close this. Ooh! Oh, I'm about to fall. Damn, bruh. Oh, look how crispy they are, bro. You guys can't tell me that does not make a difference. Oh my goodness. Yo, I'm so in love. Oh, oh, so beautiful. I have to test these out, you know, because I haven't even tested them. I mean, I tested this side and they work fine, but I have to test this side first. I mean, well, not first, but next, and see if they work. But yo, oh, bro, they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. I'm in love. Completely in love. Guys, beautiful. You guys saw it, right? I ain't gonna lie, you guys probably saw all those little lights like flickering and stuff. The lights are not like that. I guess it's just the LED is just how it is, you know, like, I don't know, but it's not like that because I checked it because my mom came out here and she, you know, she hit the braid, she did all that stuff. So it's not like that. If it was, yo, low key, I would have been annoyed because that's like, brrr, that's blinding. But oh, perfect, bro. Absolutely, oh, amazing. I'm looking at them right now and just, I'm so happy. So happy. You understand? Oh my, you understand how beautiful it looks, guys. Oh, so, I'm telling you, this is my favorite install on this car. I don't care. These lights are absolutely beautiful. But man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I know it's probably kind of trash. I don't know. Maybe you guys liked it, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go get you some freaking GTI tail lights, man. Put it on your GTI. Man, have a great day, great night, whenever time you're watching this. And I'll see you guys in the next video, man. I love you guys. Peace out.